A few of you have told me that you couldn't find a paper bag, so I want to talk about how you might just use your sketchbook to make your symmetrical design. Your paper is 9 by 12, so if you have a ruler, I'm just lining it up from edge to edge, making a mark at 6, lining up from edge to edge, making a mark at 6, and then I can connect those two dots to figure out where is my line of symmetry. Because with any good symmetrical design, you should know where the two sides are. Now I could also measure 4.5 and 4.5 so I know where this middle is. I don't have a ruler that's long enough right now to go corner to corner, but that's the other way that you can figure out where the middle is and figure out where your lines of symmetry might be. From that point, hopefully you have some things you can trace. So I have my homemade triangles, and this one is quite large. But if I put it this way, this side matches that side. I could also use some of my smaller triangles. So if I line this up and I put the point right on that line, oops, moved a little bit. Got to hold that a little bit stronger. Then I would flip it, and I need to do the same thing on this side and line up that point on this line. And I'm technically going to the very edge of my paper just so that my measurements are good. If I, there we go, because about 1/4 of an inch is through these spirals. I could use a circle to trace, and I'm just going to kind of eyeball it and see, is this, does that look about the same as that? I found another like smaller circle that I could trace, line this up. I could put, maybe I'll trace this. I'm going to line up anytime you can, like I'm going to touch that corner to the corner so I know exactly where it was. I'm going to touch this corner to that corner. Then I know they're in the same spot, and I'm lining up the bottom. Maybe I'll do this. I don't know if that one is exactly a 90 degree. I made this one myself, so it might not be as accurate as some of the plastic ones I have. I could do another. This is kind of nice because it's see-through, so I can imagine what would that line look like if I did a little bit more. You can also do stuff like with this tracer. I guess I went this way. I could move it back just slightly, make sure that this looks the same all the way around, and trace it again. And then I have kind of an outline feel to it. And I could do similar things up here. I kind of like how that looks, so maybe I'll do kind of a similar look. This time I'm just going to use my ruler to make it and eyeball it, make sure it's a parallel line. And then I'm going to do the same here. Parallel line. If I wanted to highlight these so I kind of see them as being the same, I could do something like create maybe just a line like this, a pattern that's going to go through. Yeah, I think I do want it to go all the way across. And then I could do the same thing up here, and that's going to carry through. Now I might want to do that with the color that I'm going to use instead of the pencil, because I have to go back over that. But then this would have kind of a fun textural space in both places. So design your symmetrical work today, and I'm excited to see what you have. No matter what you're coloring on, you can use a variety of materials to color with. So this one, I used art sticks, which are basically like a colored pencil. And I know not everyone's going to have something like that, but you notice when I colored, I went white, white, yellow, yellow, and I tried to make each side orange, orange match. I left some of the bag showing. With this one, I used marker. Can I make this a little bigger? I used marker, so it's got a little darker feel on that bag with a marker. Same thing though, I looked for the same spaces, green, green, blue, blue, and made sure that I colored it symmetrically. And then on the back, it is up to you. If you feel like you've got enough time, you could do both sides. If you feel like you are needing more time to get other things done, don't worry about the back. I did just the top, which I kind of am liking that. So like if this is the flap and then this is just kind of a nothing, that was kind of a fun, and then I would put my holes and a tie here. But this was just crayon, and I also like the look of the crayon, and then I've been outlining with a black Sharpie. So I do like that black line. I think it really helps bring the design out. So good luck coloring, and I will see your designs when you upload them into Seesaw.